Wow, we are live for game one of the Lightning Leafs. Welcome if you're new to the channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like, hit the notification bell. Leafs Lightning game one. Let's get the Kucherov stammering point on because Giordano and Hull iced the puck right off the bat. Oh my god, Aston Reese. The giveaways off the bat, man. Yep, scores. Good start, Hull! It's honestly embarrassing, bro. That's what I'm talking about though, right? Oh, no, Hull's okay. Hull and Giordano, it's good. Lightning up 2-0. Anthony Cirelli. Having disaster classes from McCabe, Giordano, Hull. It's like, if it's not like completely perfect with no movement of the stick, you have no ability. Like, it was literally slightly closer to your body. Oh, I'm stiff. I can't. I'm number 3. I can't move. I can't. 3-0. Down low. Tavares in front. Scores! Ryan O'Reilly! Yeah! I told you guys he was going to score! What a play! Cue the comeback! Yeah! Yeah! Let's go. We're not even halfway through the game. Lightning, 3 power plays. Wow! Wow! You gave him a cross check. Bro, this guy went like this. Nylander, 25 seconds left on the power play. Nylander, waiting, still with it, with the shot, scores! William Nylander! The comeback! The comeback! Yeah! This agenda, bro. The Lightning are getting another power play. Okay, have another one, and another one. You want another power play? You want a 5th one or a 6th one? Oh, you want a 7th power play? Oh, okay, maybe you can have an 8th. Lightning will just keep getting power plays. Lightning score, it's 4-2. Like, how did it go in? Anyways, the Lightning might be up 5-2 here. Anyways, Lightning are up 6-2, by the way. Of course, it's Hull. Look at look where Colton comes from. Not one guy feels the need to pick him up, eh? The Leafs scored like one of the funniest goals I've ever seen in my life. The Leafs scored such a weird goal, bro. We are live. Oh baby, we're live. We're live. We're live for game 2. Let's freaking go. Power play already for the Leafs. Let's freaking go. Woo! Let's go, guys! We made it on time! Yeah! We made it on time! Let's go! Leafs on the power play. Let's see it. Marner! Scores! Scores! Let's go! That's the start we needed! Let's go! Yeah! Let's go! That's the timing! HCH goes live and they score! It's Mitch Marner! Scores! What an entrance! I go live and they score! Yeah! It's Marner! Yes! Tavares! Ah! It's Tavares! Yeah! Riley! Tavares! Scores! John Tavares! Look at this play by Morgan. It's Morgan! Tavares! Morgan, where's the Morgan Riley disrespect? Da 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 da. Look at this play by Morgan. Morgan! Tavares! Where's the Riley hate? Bring the Riley hate in the chat. He's got 2 primary assists. Oh, Morgan Riley, 2 primary assists. All the haters are crying. Woo-hoo. The haters are in shambles. Their first assist was an assist by number 44, Morgan Riley. Attaboy JT. Out there. All right, McCabe in the neutral zone. McCabe. Tavares, drop pass for Nylander. Nylander waiting. Across. Matthews. Oh, that was a bouncer, and he almost scored. On the reverse, Riley to Nylander. Nylander scores! William Nylander! Morgan Riley, 3 primary assists! Yeah! Let's go! Holy bro, this is the start! Let's go! Woo! Let's go! Are you kidding me? Oh my! Look at this play from Riley. Oh my god. Oh my god. The Riley haters are shambles. Oh, that's a snip from Willie. That's a freaking snip from Willie. He's having an all-timer, man, too. Hall, waiting across Hall. Okay. He's so dumb, bro. He's actually so dumb. Like, what are you doing? Okay. Like, bro, fans need to start booing him when he does that bullshit. Like, why are... Does he know that he's like, this guy's freaking like a piece of plywood in the offensive zone? Like, why are you going behind the net? Nah, like... They score here. Number 3, bro. Don't ever defend Hall to me again! Nah. Don't talk about Hall to me. Kerfoot tried to deflect it. Give it to him. Oh my god. Nylander. To Riley! Riley to Nylander! Rebound! Score! John Tavares! Riley Forces! Yeah! Scores! Tavares! Yeah! No. No more hate! Sip it up and be quiet! Woo! Oh, Morgan's making it happen today. It's Riley! John Tavares is second of the game! Morgan Riley ties the Leafs franchise record among defensemen with 4 points in a playoff game. In front! Camp! Rebound! Scores! Zach Aston Reese! 5-1 Toronto! Yeah! Woohoo! Guys, can you tell me what number that is? Oh, it gave away. Oh my god. Hall almost gave the puck away. In front! Who scored? Was it Marner? It was like off the screen. Was it Mitch? I guess it was Marner. 6-1 Toronto! Big time appreciation for all of you guys in the chat. Love you guys. Let's go. Cheers. To the non-toxic loyal peeps in the chat. Yeah! Hat-trick! It's ours! JT Hottie, get the hats! Get the hats! Get the hats! Tavares Hottie! Into the neutral zone. This could be a 2-on-1 for the Leafs. Go! What are you guys doing? Nice! Achari shoots! Scores! No, Achari! And the Leafs are up 1-0! Third line, let's go! Oh, in the middle, across, scores! You've got to... Oh my god, Nylander. Tampa ties it 1-1. Bro, the ref there. Lafferty up top for Matthews. Matthews coming in with the shot! Stopped by Vasilevsky. Come on, Austin, you got to get going this game. Austin with the hit. Attaboy, Austin! Matthews to Marner! To Luke Shen! Oh my, that's blocked. Shen. Across. Marner! Scores! Austin Matthews! Deflected in front! I said he was going to score tonight! And it's 2-1 Toronto! Oh, Samsonov. Why are you swimming? Oh my god. Why are you swimming, Samsonov? It's going to be a good goal. I'm putting it on the board. I thought it went in after the push. It's a good goal. Holy shit, bro. The amount of icings the Leafs have... Like, it's only a matter of time. You guys get that, eh? It's only a matter of time before we see a Tampa goal. Let's go! Go, Leafs, go! Go, Leafs, go! Radish scores. I knew it was going to come eventually. That's why icing the puck, Tavares. O'Reilly score! Ryan O'Reilly! Yeah! Leafs tie it! Yeah! Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Yeah! Let's go! Ryan O'Reilly! That's why you trade for that guy! O'Reilly at the face-off draw. Clean win. Morgan. Score! Morgan Riley! Morgan Riley! Morgan Riley! Morgan Riley! Another in front scores! Hall. Buddy, you gotta... Oh, man, you gotta cover the back door on that. Lightning up 1-0. Like, wow, it's bad. If Gio keeps playing like this, man. Long shot saved by Sammy. Okay, Lafferty, why are you playing it back into the zone? Camp across, Riley! Oh my god, that's unreal, man. Oh my, the fourth line just has no sense outside of a good cycle. Oh my, 44's back door. I was just about to compliment Kucherov too for his pass, and again, scores. Yeah. That's the difference maker right there. Like, Willie, you've got to cover your point, bro. Like, oh my god, man. It's such a disaster. That top six needs to be changed. Oh, he had the feet in front, but what a steal by O'Reilly. O'Reilly back to the point for Hall. Hall shot! Scores! Deflected by Achari! And the Leafs get on the board! What a trade deadline of... Oh, let's go! Oh, Achari! 2 goals in 2 games! Let's freaking go, boys! Beat by Shen. Nylander! Nylander! Oh my god! Stamkos, yeah, I told you guys. I told you guys Stamkos was going to score. I told you guys. 3-1 Tampa. Left in the second period. Killorn on the left side scores. Justin Hall screens his goalie again. Something happens. Oh, cross! Matthews scores! What a play! Okay! 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 What did I say? What did I say? You have to get a goal in the next couple minutes? There you go. Step 1. Nice play, nice pass from Marner. The core 4. The core 4. Yeah! Deflected! Matthews again! It's 4-3! What is happening? Okay, bro. They do not deserve to be in this game. How is this happening? It's like one-off plays. All these mistakes. And then they just somehow score. Riley at the point. Riley! Score! Ah! Oh my god! You Riley haters! Oh my god, there's no way! The Steve Dennis thing go crazy! Oh my god! Morgan Riley! Oh! Oh, Morgan Riley. Oh, my God. Oh, Morgan Riley. Oh, Morgan Riley. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, Morgan Riley. You're so delicious. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Why do they do this to me? Oh, my God, Riley. Giordano. Nylander, Giordano. Long shot! Score! Score! Oh my god! How is this happening? Oh my god! How is this happening? Guys, I said it! What have the Leafs done? Oh my god! Kerfoot, the deflection! Kerfoot, the deflection! What a deflection by Kerfoot! Are you kidding me? Guys, once upon a time, it was 2013. And there was a team that was up 4-1. But guess what? This time, it wasn't Toronto. Let's go! Here at Game 5, let's go! It's GCB! Let's go! We're at Game 5! Go Leafs, go! Let's finish this tonight! Let's go!
It's over tonight!
Let's go!
Go Leafs, go! Go Leafs, go! Go Leafs, go! Go Leafs, go! Go Leafs, go! Go Leafs, go!
because guess what? We're a roller coaster. We were just hyped for a couple wins, and now we're fired up again. You know what? I won't be able to sleep at night if I don't get these thoughts out, so I'm just going to get these thoughts out. If you are on planet Earth still defending Justin Hall, you need to get checked. Like, you seriously need to get checked. I'm not going to put the loss specifically on him, but it is pretty simple at this point. You do not need to be a hockey expert to understand simple fundamentals. Simple fundamentals. Let's break it down. Guy looks freaking confused on the first goal, drops his stick. Let's break it down for Sheldon Keefe here. Sheldon Keefe, what are you doing? Morgan Riley, 3 goals in a row. If you ever spoke any hate on Morgan Riley, hide in your bedroom. Do not watch a single Leaf game the rest of the series. You are a fake ass fan. You've probably joined this team in the last 5 years. Morgan Riley shows up every year in the playoffs. Matthews waiting. He'll exchange with Mitch. Mitch to Austin! Austin! What a save by Vasilevsky! That's what Mitch and Matthews can do together. Tavares. Matthews! Blocked in front. Good keep by Brody. The Leafs are buzzing. Brody to Matthews! Scores! Austin Matthews! Yeah! Yeah! The Leafs are up 1-0! Austin Matthews! Yeah! 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 Let's go! Let's go! Nice, get it out. Matty, come on, man! Nice, bro. Of course. Man, it's not that easy for the Leafs. Freaking nice, bro. Freaking Matthew Nyes, you gotta get that puck out, man. Get there, Tavares, yeah. Oh my god, come on. Come on, folks, it's this shift, it's this shift. Tavares, keep it alive. Yes, JT. Go nice, come on, boys. Keep going, Tavares. Tavares, keep going. Yeah! Oh my god! Oh my god! They did it! Oh my god, they did it! They won around! Yeah! What? Oh my god, they did it! God, oh my god! The Leafs passed the first round? They did it! They did it, guys! They did it! I love these guys!
"20 minutes later."